Eat 7 foods, protect the heart from diseases. You may find that eating certain foods can lead to heart disease and making it difficult to change your diet. Let's find out what are the 7 heart-healthy foods. Black beans. Black beans are light in weight, flexible and rich in minerals. Magnesium, folate and antioxidants help lower blood pressure. Their fiber helps control blood sugar and cholesterol. You can add black beans to soups and salads to get even more of the mineral. Linseed and seed syrup. Flax seeds and seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These seeds contain fatty acids and alpha-linolenic acid found in plants. Omega-3 fatty acids have positive health effects by lowering triglycerides as well as regulating LDL and cholesterol levels. Due to these seeds, blood pressure and blood clots and fats in blood vessels are reduced. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce the risk of heart attack. Salmon fish. Salmon is an excellent heart-healthy food because it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are healthy fats that lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Walnut. Eating a few walnuts daily can reduce cholesterol. It also helps prevent inflammation of the arteries in the human heart. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, monounsaturated fats, plant sterols, and fiber. Porridge. Oatmeal reduces diabetes while eating it from time to time also reduces blood sugar. Porridge keeps your stomach full for several hours and saves you from eating unhealthy snacks. The fiber in oatmeal lowers LDL and unhealthy cholesterol, which reduces your risk of heart disease. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage and leafy greens like radish leaves are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They are particularly good sources of vitamin K, which protects the arteries of the heart. In addition, they are rich in dietary nitrates, which lower blood pressure, relax arteries, and help cells in blood vessels work properly. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries and raspberries are rich in essential minerals that are important for heart health. Oxidative stress and inflammation that lead to heart disease are alleviated by antioxidants such as anthocyanins found in berries. Eating berries cures many heart diseases.